Graphic designers rely on precise input, comfortable long sessions, and reliable multi-device workflows. The 5 mice in this comparison span a spectrum from budget-friendly ergonomics to premium multi-computer productivity tools, ensuring options for students, professionals, and power users. My methodology combines objective measurements, DPI range, tracking on diverse surfaces.
List number 1. Logitech MX Master 2S Wireless Mouse. Hyper-fast scrolling. The MX Master 2S is a seasoned flagship from Logitech that emphasizes ergonomic comfort, strong battery life, and cross-computer control. It supports Bluetooth and USB wireless connectivity and is part of the ecosystem that introduced Logitech Flow for seamless cross-computer copy-paste across up to 3 devices. It's a rechargeable, ergonomic wireless option with a familiar design language that many designers have praised for long sessions. Performance and use cases. The MX Master 2S excels in productivity pipelines, especially when working with layered documents or multi-monitor setups. Its precision and the ability to navigate across 3 machines via Flow can streamline asset transfer in multi-device environments. The ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during long editing sessions, and the included rechargeable battery eliminates frequent battery changes. However, for graphic design that demands very high precision at ultra-fine zoom levels, the sensor ranking, trackball in some variants, and older optical tracking may not feel as modern as newer MX models. The device remains comfortable for controlled panning and brushwork in Photoshop or Illustrator, and the multi-computer Flow is a standout for teams sharing workstations.
List number 2. TechNet Wireless Mouse. The TechNet is a budget-friendly, compact, ergonomic option with 6 programmable buttons, up to 2600 DPI, and an advertised 24 months of battery life. It uses a USB-A receiver for plug-and-play setup and offers a range up to 49 feet. It's notable for value per dollar and travel-friendly dimensions, making it an attractive choice for students or freelancers who need a dependable secondary device. Performance and use cases. The 5-level DPI range provides adequate precision for general graphic tasks like rough selection, wireframing, or quick edits on the go. The ergonomic contour with rubber side grips supports comfortable daily use, but the layout and primary click feel may not match premium mice in click latency or smoothness. Given its 2.4 GHz USB connectivity and no software-based customization described, more advanced users may miss per-app macros or advanced elevation of pointer precision. Battery life is excellent in theory, but real-world usage depends on the included AAA batteries, which aren't included, and user habits.
List number 3. Logitech M575 Ergonomic Wireless Trackball USB Mouse. The M575 is Logitech's trackball approach to ergonomic design, offering stationary cursor control with a thumb-operated ball. It connects via Bluetooth or USB, delivering a stable alternative for users who want to minimize arm movement and optimize desk space. It's tailored for multi-OS environments and includes a comfortable, sculpted form with a post-consumer recycled plastic composition in some colorways. Performance and use cases. Trackball mice like the M575 shine in tight workspaces and for tasks requiring long, precise gestures without wrist motion, such as fine photo retouching or vector edits with little desk movement. The lower nominal 400 DPI sensor will feel less precise at high-resolution displays compared to modern 4K workflows, but for smooth scrolling and steady pointer control, it shines. The dual connectivity helps maintain a clean workspace and reduces cable clutter. Some users may need time to adapt for cursor placement and may miss the tactile feedback of traditional mice.
List number 4. Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac. The MX Master 3S for Mac is a premium Apple-optimized variant of Logitech's MX line. It emphasizes mag speed scrolling, 8K DPI track-on-glass sensor, and quiet clicks, with app-specific profiles and cross-device workflows across up to 3 Macs. It uses USB-C charging and promises up to 70 days of battery life per full charge, with a rapid 3-hour charge providing meaningful runtime.
It's designed to blend into Mac OS workflows with Mac OS-specific features and profiles. Performance and use cases. For designers, the 8K DPI sensor on glass translates to ultra-precise cursor control on high-resolution displays, enabling fine-tuned edits, precise vector work, and accurate color-sensitive tasks. Mag speed scrolling accelerates navigation through large canvases or long documents, while the ergonomic shape supports comfortable all-day use. The Mac OS optimized options, app-specific profiles, and multi-Mac workflow are strong differentiators for professionals who operate across multiple Macs or iPads. A potential drawback for some users is the premium price and the fact that some features are tailored to Apple ecosystems, which could limit functionality on non-Apple platforms.
List number 5. Ergonomic wireless rechargeable mouse. POJTK offers a vertical ergonomic design with a 58-degree tilt, USB-A and USB-C connectivity, including Bluetooth 5.3 and 2.4 GHz options. It supports up to 4800 DPI across 5 levels, features 6 silent buttons, and markets itself as a carpal tunnel-friendly option with rechargeable power and flexible compatibility across Windows, macOS, Linux, and other platforms. Performance and use cases. The vertical orientation reduces pronation and wrist strain, which can be beneficial for long design sessions. The 4800 DPI capability provides high precision on varied surfaces, and the 3-in-1 connectivity enables seamless switching between devices and ports. The silent button design is a plus in shared environments. However, the presence of a 9-volt battery for power included is unusual in modern devices and may not align with many users' expectations for standard rechargeable Li-ion batteries. The overall sensor performance will depend on the surface and optical sensor quality, and macro customization is not clearly described.